Hi, I am Marilyn Esquillo, and I am here now to present the sociological perspective of the self. Sociology, or the study of how human society is established, its structure, and how works the people interaction with each other, and the effects of they have to one another is an aspect in which we have to consider with regards to the development of a person. It is also important to understand that establishment of the self based on the social structures would give us a better understanding of who we are and provide reasons how our interaction can affect us as a person. So, sociology is crucial for understanding how individuals develop. It is explores how societies are formed, their structures, and how they function. It is also examine how people interact and influence each other. The concept of self is a key of aspect of sociology. It is shaped by social structures, meaning our interaction with others, the groups we belong to, and the cultures we live in influence our understanding of ourselves. By understanding the self, we gain insights into who we are and why we behave the way we do. George Herbert Mead and the Social Self. He is an American sociologist. He is considered as the father of American pragmatism and one of the pioneers in the field of social psychology because of his contributions on the development of the person related to the biosocial factors. The myths have three role-playing stages of the self-development. First is the preparatory stage or birth to 2 years old. Sa yugtong ito ng pag-unlad ng self or sarili, ang bata ay parang isang parrot na ano, yung paulit-ulit lang yung mga naririnig or nakikita. Hindi pa niya naiintindihan yung kahulugan ng kanyang ginagawa, basta ginagaya lang niya yung mga taong nakapaligid sa kanya. Next is the play stage. 2 to 6 years old. Dito, nagsisimulang makipaglaro sa iba at nagtatakda ng sariling patakaran ng bata. Ang ginagaya niya ang mga nakikita nilang sitwasyon sa totoong buhay. Sa paglalaro, natututo silang mag-isip mula sa pananaw ng iba at nagsisimulang magkaroon ng kamalayan dito sa stage na to, sa kanilang sarili. The third stage is the game stage or 6 to 10 years old. Ito, yung bata ay nagsisimula ng nakikita na nila yung kanilang sarili sa pananaw sa ating lipunan. Dito natututo na silang mag-isip bago kumilos. Kumbaga naninigurado mo na iisipin nila kung tama o kung tama ba yung kalalabasan ng gagawin nila sa paglalaro. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching.